Good day, folks. This is your real estate housing market detailed review for the North Okanagan for June of 2026. The North Okanagan is steady as she goes. It's an okay market. However, there's the stats sort of portray a little bit stronger message than I'm experiencing from the realtors. Most realtors are claiming they're not getting any showings on their listings, and basically the sellers have got to reduce their price continually in order to get a sale. There's lots of inventory on the market, and that's a difficulty for sellers and a benefit for buyers. So let's just have a look at the absorption here. The absorption is, as you can see, it's been fairly strong and actually took a little 5-point jump in June over May to 22.46%. I think that could very well be just a bit of an anomaly. You'll probably see it come down a bit next month. Um, the market is basically flat. Houses that are very aggressively priced are selling, and as you go up in price, then the incidence of sale actually goes down. So that below sub 800 is selling not too bad, pretty well. As you go up in price, it starts to slow down. So let's have a look at sales and see if there's any difference between this year and last year. So we highlight January to June, and this little number way over here is 62 sales on average. January to June last year, it's 67 sales. So sales are down a bit from last year, but not a heck of a lot. Let's go over and have a look at prices. So average price here this year for single family detached housing is $805,000. And last year, if we take a look at January to June last year, it's $764,000. So that's actually an increase in 5%. But it's I almost don't want to portray that because it doesn't show that in the activity that's going on presently. It's so that could be just there's some higher priced houses that sold. The market is basically flat, and with not a lot of upward or downward pressure on prices. If this continues, it's a good thing for the North Okanagan. So this absorption, if we see that hang in there at 21, 22, 23% in the coming months, now you've got a trend you can count on, and you're going to start to see upward pressure on pricing. I quite frankly don't believe that's going to happen. The war has just started again. Gas prices are expected to go up again. And even though that's primarily almost exclusively controlled by the United States, it's affecting our marketplace in that it is affecting consumer confidence. Okay, that's your review for the North Okanagan for June of 2026.